Welcome to Youth Medical Mentorship, a team of students, professionals, and community leaders dedicated to guiding the next generation of healthcare providers. Our fellows, mentors, and volunteers work together to inspire youth from middle school through college. YMM is a mentorship and education program that connects students with real-life healthcare professionals. Through after-school programs, summits, field trips, and hands-on experiences, we give students the tools, guidance, and opportunities to explore careers in medicine and health-related fields. Too many students never imagine themselves in healthcare, especially if they don't see role models who look like them or come from similar backgrounds. YMM is here to change that. Our mission is to help kids dream bigger, stay in school, build confidence, and pursue meaningful careers that give back to their communities. We are active year-round, working in schools across Oklahoma, from weekly after-school sessions to seasonal summits and community events, walking with students every step of their journey from the classroom to college and beyond. YMM programs are happening right here in our local schools and communities across Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma City, Tahlequah, Union, and more, with plans to expand even further. Now the question is, will you be a part of this mission?